Yo, what's good, everybody? Today I'm going to be talking about why you should not be buying penny stocks that have recently boomed. I'm going to be talking about a few examples like GNUS, Hertz, Urban One, and IDEX, which is something that happened today also. Some of these stocks, the important thing to realize is that you must see and do research on every single one. Because as you can see, this just started off as a huge pump. And June 3rd, this GNUS went crazy. From June 1st, it went all the way from 257 all the way up to $7.90. But then whenever you take it with the month or weekly charts, you can see how poorly it's done. This is just mainly, I feel like a lot of Robinhood users are just going in there, trying to make a quick buck, and then end up holding and convincing themselves it's a very good investment. However, these stocks are ones that are generally ones that are just being pumped because of some small instance of some kind of good news, and it just causes people to get into a big investment hold where people are just keep pumping in money, and then once it hits a price point, they all like a lot of people are selling, and then some beginners get stuck with shares that they bought around like maybe $7, and they're just left with it stuck because they're holding thinking, oh, it's gonna happen again, it's gonna boom again, but now they're left with it goes to 268. You're losing a lot of money on these moves. Another one is Hertz. Hertz was recently shown it was gonna go to bankruptcy, and for some reason, all the Robinhood users they went crazy on this. They took it from 262 all the way to 550. This is a bankrupt company, guys. Come on. After that, it went from 550 all the way down to 142. And exactly right before that, even it was at 85-cent stock because this was going to be bankrupt. And chances are it still will be bankrupt. And a lot of people are just stuck with having bought some crazy prices, and it continues to go down. Same one with Urban One. This was another one that happened this week, which went all the way to $48, and now you see it's declined about 50 plus percent from the highs, and it just had one bit of good news, and it pushed it all the way up, and now people just bought the hype, and they were left with some big shares that they can't do anything with anymore. I think this is going to be the same sort of Ideanomics, IDEX. Today, as you can see, it went up about 190% this week, and today it went up 52%. I'm guessing that 396 was the high, and I think it's just going to go down from here. This is the same thing that keeps happening. Just look at the patterns, guys. Be smart with your money. Look to invest in the long term. Buy ETFs, as you can see in my last video. You can check that out. It's a much smarter investment, and long term, you're going to be thanking me, and you're not going to be saying, dang, why did I buy this such a high price, like with these penny stocks. These penny stocks are honestly like out there to get you. The beginner investors say, oh, I could get a huge profit, and within like a few minutes I can get 20-30%. There are a lot of people making money off this, don't get me wrong, but there are a lot more people losing money on this. So please, as the most famous investors say, like Warren Buffett, invest in the long run. In the 10-year history, the stock market has never lost. So thanks everybody for watching. If you have any questions about this topic, please leave a comment below. Please destroy that like button. It helps a lot. And please subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Daniel Cohen. And join Robinhood below to get your free stock. I've linked it in the description. Thanks for watching.